Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide your birthday from your Facebook profile. So in order to hide your birthday from your Facebook profile, it's quite easy. So when you go to your profile, we all know that it shows our birthday over on our profile, but in order to actually remove this, it's quite easy. So what you want to do is open your Facebook app, and from home, all you need to do is click on menu at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then once you're right here, you want to scroll down and you want to make sure to open this settings and privacy tab, and you want to click on settings. Once you have done that, what you need to do is you need to scroll down, and you can right here find audience and visibility, and you want to click on profile details. Then right here you want to scroll down and you want to click on basic info, and here you have this edit button where you can simply click on. Alright, so then right here you have your birthday, and you can simply set this to private by simply clicking on friends or friends. It's probably set to friends or public. All you need to do is click on only me, and also this one on only me, and then they will not be able to see when you're born and which date exactly, because you are the only one who will be able to see that. Then all you need to click on save. Right here, go back to menu, you can refresh your profile once or twice, and then it shall be gone. So that's how you can hide your birthday from your Facebook profile. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.